Hello, everyone, and welcome to our StoplightGo opportunity call. My name is John Spitaliere. I am a founder in StoplightGo and excited for all you guests and for all you drivers who are already in the race. Excited to have you here tonight. So give me 1 second. I'm going to share my screen, and I am ready to go. So the race is on when having fun meets making money. And that's our theme here. We want you to have a blast with this. So what does Stoplight Go all about? Well, it's two parts. The first part is our 10-year plan is to be the first Amazon or big box store on commission. Also, by the end of 2023, we'll have over 1,000 products or more available to you that you can actually purchase or send people on referral to buy products through your website. Now, this does not include what we call daily deals, which is millions of products that you already buy, and you'll save a lot of money on them just by doing that. So we also have travel, which is car rentals, hotels, flights. We have movies, sports events. We got so much more. But anyway, that's part one. The part two part of it is that, we want you to make money. And we don't want to take money out of your pocket. We want you to make money. And Jim Rohn, a famous motivational speaker, said, work full-time for a living and part-time for your fortune. And that's exactly what I did. I was working in a car rental agency, not making a lot of money. And my boss said to me, hey, would you like to make some extra money? And I thought maybe it was overtime or something. And then he introduced me to something like this, but at a home. And after that, it was all over. I've been retired twice now, and I just love doing this. And this is about you. It's not about me tonight. It is about you. So really have an open mind with this concept. So welcome to our Zoom home party. I'm going to teach you a couple of things that you probably don't know. And one of them is the secrets of travel industry doesn't want you to know. And the other is how do you combat a poor economy and high prices for almost everything? Is there a way to do that? So before we get started, I love doing this because it means a lot to me, especially myself. I have different goals than I did when I first started in networking. And we want to know, what are your goals and dreams? Think about it for a minute. And then if your plan A is not working, you might have a great job, but you know what? You're working for a living, right? But what about your plan B? What are the things you always wanted that probably you're not having right now because life gets in the way? Life's tough, right? So they're the things I want you to think about. So if I could save you money on things you buy every day, would you do it? And the answer is probably yes, right? Okay. Now, when we first started with our products, we only had 4 categories. Now we have a whole bunch of categories, and we just keep growing and growing. So what I want to talk about tonight is about travel, because most people travel, even on their bucket list. The first thing they come up with is traveling somewhere, right? So here's travel secret number 1. Public internet do not offer the best prices. Hotel, cruises, and rental cars have a high vacancy and unused inventory. So they have to find a way to actually move that inventory. And in order to sell unused inventory, they use these 2 major companies in which they have manipulated the industry, which is Priceline and Expedia, right? Well, you're saying, wow, there's so many more out there other than Priceline and Expedia. Watch this. Without a competition, they've made billions of dollars in the travel industry. And here's a prime example. Look at Priceline. These are all Priceline websites, but they just have a different name. And you've probably used them thinking you're going to get a bigger discount. You might have got a little discount different, but the bottom line is everything's owned by Priceline. With Expedia, it's the same way. Look at all those. And I was guilty of that in the beginning myself. So here's travel secret number 2. There are 3 levels of travel pricing. The first is retail price. That's where you go to a hotel, a cruise, a rental, a timeshare website, their own website, and you book. Then you have number 2, discount pricing. That's what we just talked, Expedia, Priceline, Orbitz, whatever. All of those, there is a way you can actually save money. Number 3 is the untold story. unpublished wholesale pricing. It's an exclusive travel membership club, and part of StoplightGo, you actually get that. That's an exclusive travel membership club. And why is that important? Well, because we're not open to the public, we're able to give discount prices below all those internet companies out there that are travel companies. Does that make sense? So here's what I did today. This morning, when I woke up, I was still in my pajamas. I says, I got to show this to people. So here's Vegas, 3-night stay at the Bellagio Hotel. I booked it in October. All right. And the bottom line is, look at the internet search. And that was one of the companies, you know, that Priceline Expedia thing I used. And the price was $2,361 for 3 nights. So it was $787 per night. I then went to our StoplightGo website, and it was $1,368 for 3 nights, which is $456 per night. Now, the cheaper hotels that you use, the less discount you're going to get. I just want to clarify that, okay? I took the Bellagio because I love the Bellagio, okay? But look at this. This is a mini vacation, savings of $331. Guess what? If you took the cruiser package, you would have paid for your cruiser package already. And that's just one portion of StoplightGo. So here are a whole bunch of products that we have. We have so many more. I can't put them on the screens. I just have to keep going screen. But here are a lot of the products we have. The Blaze, the gas pill, which is amazing. The hemp extract. I do use the Thrive tape after playing racquetball. Juvenile products. We got gummies. We got so much stuff. Okay. So we're Amazon or the big box on commission. Now, coming soon, we're going to have this. And this is dear to my heart because I made a lot of money in my last company and I retired from that. And all of a sudden, Oscar and Brighart, they come up with this, the acai berry, okay, and it's freeze dried. And instead of having 19 fruits and vegetables, this one has 30 fruits and vegetables. Folks, the last company I was a billion dollar company. I mean, they topped the charts in network marketing. Folks, this is where you want to be today. And get in, because when this comes out, this is going to be a boomer. So let's talk about your plan B now, okay? Your plan B is, how do I make money? I have limited time. I have limited money. How do I do that? Well, with StoplightGo, we have 4 different ways you can make money. This thing called connective marketing, never done in the history of network and marketing. You know, the old grandfather networking days, they're over. But this is why I joined this company. So we're going to go through them real quick. E-commerce commissions. Every time someone goes in this thing called your racing circuit, you make a commission on what they purchase. Easy enough, right? Then we have retail profit. You tell Joe or Sam or your relative, hey, go on my website. I know you were looking for some juvenile products. Go ahead and go on there. And when they buy something off your waiting list, you get 15 to 25%. Earn fast track bonus. Okay. All I want you to do tonight is just look at lane 1 and lane 2. Here's what happens. You sign up. You bring in 3 drivers. Okay. At $25 each, you get $75. They do exactly what you do. Friends do what friends do, right? Your goal is to get your 3. Their goal is to get their 3. When they do that, you make $225. Folks, that's $300. That, once again, is paying for that cruiser package that I just talked about. So now, if you did a vacation and you did this, you'd be making money already on 2 things that you did. And there's so much more, okay? So that's $300 right there. And it goes on and on. And if you get the $499 package, it's even more money. So this connective marketing I talked about, amazing. I just want you to look now at race 1, race 2, and race 5. Here's race 1, okay? You signed up, you got 3 drivers. Guess what? You just won Spark Plug 100. They did the same thing you did, your friends, your family, whoever you engage in this, they did theirs, total of 9. guess what? You won race 200. Now, look at race 5, Fireball 500. I had to put that Georgia accent in there. Fireball 500, 243 people. You're like, wow, how can I do 200? How can I get 243 people? It's impossible. Okay, now I'm going to show you the magic down the road. In connective marketing, the way it works is very simple. As people come in, say you get your 3. When you get your 4th one, what will happen is it will look for an empty spot and then boom, it will fill it. Okay, so if you have an empty spot in your business and it's right there, it will fill it. Okay, and here's the great thing about it. Would you agree that there are millions and millions of people in the world? This has never been done before. What happens is every time someone comes in on that 4th person around the world, it looks for a spot and places it. Now, look at race 5. Do you think you can get your 243? I mean, it might take 6 months, might take a year, but look at this, 243, that's 765 a month. Every month, that changes people's lives. I know it did me in the beginning. It changed my life, okay? And it goes all the way down as you see, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. But I like to focus on small goals and then just watch the growth and be excited that way. Okay, so I'm going to move along. I'm going to give you the 2 different ways that you could join a networking, because there's a lot of companies that still do the top one, okay? The old grandfather networking. The green people are the people above you. The red is you. When people come in, the only way they can come is if you build your business by yourself, or you might get lucky and someone up above might come in. Might. Our way, the connective marketing way, there's your 3, there's your red. Okay, as people come in, that 4th person, remember, it looks for a spot, it places it. Okay, then it looks for a spot, and then it goes across, it sees an open spot, and it places it. Folks, cycle or connective marketing fills each open level from top on down, and never done in the history of networking. And while you build your business, and I emphasize that, while you build your business, the world is helping you and you get paid for it. So only one question remains. How do I get started to see the full presentation? Get with the person that gave you the Zoom call. They're going to give you an invite code. If you're a driver now, folks, next Tuesday, we should double the amount of people we have here. Your homework is to go out and tell people about this, because this is going to be so big that, you know what, if they find out later with the money that you're making and the things you're doing and the traveling you're doing, they're going to be very angry for you. So you want to get out and talk to everyone about this in the beginning of the beginning. So you're going to go to StoplightGo.com. You put in your invite code. I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. It's real easy. Okay, there are 3 steps, simple steps in StoplightGo. The first one is you get that invite code and you go on the waiting list. We call it a waiting list. I call it a spectator list, because you know what? It's free. You're looking around. You just want to see what's going on, and maybe you'll sign up, maybe not. But what happens then is you get a free website and it locks your position in, so that, and Dave will actually talk about this in a little while. It locks your position in, so no one else, everyone else has to go below you or that way or that way. I don't know. But the bottom line is it locks your position. That's step 1. Step 2 is you're going to get your own website. You're going to go ahead and scroll down, and to the right is a full presentation. I only touched this much of it. And when you see that and you see the vision, you'll understand why you want to join our company. Okay, so now you've done your presentation. The next thing you want to do is decide what you want to do next, right? You can still look around, or you can secure your position right away, because timing is everything in life. I don't care what anyone says. Timing is everything in life. So you secure your position by either getting a cruiser or a dragster package. What is that? Well, I'm going to tell you. Dragster is $499. For $499, you get the highest commissions. You get more products so that you can actually get your own testimonial and still be able to share it with people to get them to see what you see. Make sense? Okay. Now, the fast track bonus, and folks, it's all about money. I mean, if you financially can't buy the dragster package, borrow it from your mom. No, just kidding. What you do is you just go ahead and you get the fast track bonus for $299. That still gets you in. That still gives you commissions, and you get a little less as far as product, but it gets you in. See, it's all about, in it to win it, right? Okay, so they're the packages that you can get. And the bottom line is that the race is on, and we just want to have fun, and we want to make money, and we do that. We have a blast. I mean, before this even goes on, we're fooling around and carrying on. But the most important part of it, folks, is it's about you tonight. It's about you. Change your life. It could change your life. I've seen many people come on stage with big checks, and we're carpenters, and we're car salesmen, and whatnot. All walks of life, attorneys, doctors. So look at this and make a decision for yourself and your family. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce not only a well-educated professor, okay, and friend. He does a lot of the work that you see here, the pictures and setting everything up. He's just an amazing guy. He will bend over backwards for you to help you, and that's what it's all about. See, when you have teams, okay, we're all one team because of this connected marketing. When you have teams, it separates people. But we don't want that. We want to enjoy it all together, and we want you to go higher than us, and you can. And in a pyramid scheme, you can't do that. I don't like using that word, but it's true. You can't do that. In your job, you can't do that. So anyway, I'm going off track. Dave Pike, take it away.